It is time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts, Sherry, Bussy, and Sam. Presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
Good Monday morning, everybody. Hope you had a fantastic weekend. My name is Sam, and of course, it is time for Marry Me Monday. Stepping in for Sherry Bussy is Sarah Davis from Emerald City Jewelers. Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Sam.
We've talked about with Sherry the wonderful things that you guys do with restoration, whether it's a necklace, a ring. You guys really take an old piece of jewelry and kind of bring it back to life at Emerald City Jewelers.
The one thing that I love the most about jewelry is that it really carries a story through generations. And I always say, if jewelry could talk, what could it say? So being able to restore those pieces and be able to pass them down for generations to the future is just heartwarming to me.
It's funny because I am stuck on this show that I've been watching called Hometown, where they take old homes and restore them to their glory. So it's kind of like what you guys do at Emerald City Jewelers. You take, whether it's a family heirloom or something found in the dirt, and bring that piece of jewelry back to life. And the before and after photos, I'm sure, Sarah, that you guys do are just amazing.
Oh my gosh, absolutely. We recently had one in that was beyond repair to some, but having a laser welder and a very skilled staff in the bench, we were able to fully restore the piece, give it a new life and new memories for this gentleman, and it was just phenomenal, the before and after.
Well, especially if it's a family heirloom, to bring that piece of jewelry back to life, to keep it in the family, that's got to be a pretty good feeling to bring that piece of jewelry back to life.
So the one thing that really gets me being emotional with jewelry, when you give the piece back and you present it back to that customer and it looks even better than what they purchased it from the very beginning, 30, 40, 50 years ago, you as the employee or you as the person presenting the work that we've done, you become attached to what you're able to present, and that you just become emotional with them at the same time. It's just really a special moment.
I can only imagine. And what really sets Emerald City Jewelers apart is you've got a fantastic staff. Everything is done local to bring that piece of jewelry back to life.
Yes, absolutely. Being a family business, we're in this with our whole heart. And for the community that surrounds us, we want to do the best for our community. And we recently acquired a new laser welder that is going to really advance us into doing more. And it also is equipped with a camera to be able to record and display the work that we're doing as we're restoring your piece, which is a really, really cool piece of technology that not a lot of people are able to use.
Well, I'm obsessed with bringing old things back to life at restoration, so I cannot wait to see those videos, Sarah. Now, if people have a piece of jewelry that it's just kind of sitting there and they really want to start wearing again and put maybe a new diamond in it or polish it or whatever, how do they get a hold of you guys to start the restoration process?
There are multiple ways to get a hold of us. You can call us anytime during normal business hours, or you can text us anytime, even if in the evening or early morning. The text message comes to our entire staff, so whoever sees it first will respond as quickly as possible. You can also Facebook us or email us. There's just all kinds of different ways that you can get in touch with us.
And celebrate your love 24/7 at emeraldcityjewelers.com. Follow them on Facebook. The staff is fantastic at posting things that are on sale, and maybe soon some more restoration pieces that we get to see the before and after photos from. Sarah, thank you so much, and we will talk to you soon.
Great. Thank you, Sam.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday at 7:25 a.m. for another exciting edition. That's Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.